Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's bbmirasworld right here. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. If you're not new, thank you for sticking around. So today is a Friday and I am on leave, so I'm gonna show you guys a day in my life as a YouTuber. So because basically what I'm going to be doing today is to make lots of videos. So I'm about to head out and start my day, so I'm going to take you guys along just to see what the day looks like in my life as just a YouTuber and working today. So I'm like excited. I'm gonna take you guys around, so I'm gonna make lots of videos today. Yeah, so the first video I'm gonna be making is I got an Asia double eyelid stuff, although I have the double eyelid, but I'm just gonna try it out in case you see me moving out of my house with makeup. Just know that I was making videos. I'm gonna just show you guys basically everything I'm gonna do today, so do not forget to stick around and let's move into the video right now. Guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like. So basically this is what it looks like, and what's written here is Miniso Wide Double Fold Eyelid Sticker. It has 240 pairs, and that's it here. So look at what it looks like. So basically I'm going to be starting now. Thing here which you can use to like make it frame in your eyes. So I'm basically gonna try one right now. So I'm here, like I literally came to charge my phone because there is no lights. So let me charge it before I head out. So guys, there was no power at home, so I had to come to this place very close to my house and power off my phone a bit because I have to like make some calls. So guys, like I said, I'm going to be picking up a hair that we ordered at One Acre's place. That's in Lekki Phase 1. So I'm going to be going there to pick up that hair, and then from there look for somewhere else to go, eat, and that's just, the sun is not smiling at all. It's so hot. So yeah, that is Miss One Acre's hair place. I just got here right now, so I'm gonna go inside and pick the hair we ordered. So this is what it looks like, and there are lots of people here. So I'm ahead there right now and look for where I'm gonna pick up the stuff. So after giving them the details of the hair we ordered, they started processing it. So I just went outside to check out the hairs they've got. They've got quite nice hairs here, and basically I was just feeding my eyes while my stuff is processed, you know. So yeah. Yeah? 35.
Tough love, you take it or leave it.
How much is this one? Excuse me, how much is this? 22. So after waiting for quite a while, I finally got this hair, and it was what we ordered. So it looked good and I was okay with it. So yeah. I picked up the hair and I'm leaving right now, so I have some other place I need to go to, so let's go. Guys, as you can see, the traffic is mad. Everybody's honking and stuffs like that, and I want to go somewhere. It's about 2:30 and I need to meet up with what I'm going to before 4. So I just booked an old ride, and the bike is on his way to come pick me up so I can meet up with what I have to. As you can see, everywhere is so blocked, man. So guys, the ride is here, and Ayomide, right? So guys, the ride is here. Yeah, and I'm about to like wear the helmet and then hopping, you know.
Like, where is it going to CMS?
Yes.
The road was very, I don't know road.
So guys, I finally got here and I became very busy to the point that I couldn't even film. So finally I came back to the place that I told you guys I was close to my house where I normally charge if there's no power or something. It is 8:01 p.m. Yeah, so I left my house in the morning and I came to this place at 8:01 to tell you how busy my day was. I'm sorry I couldn't like vlog so many parts of my day because I had some crucial things to do and I had to make some decisions. So I was just taking this energy drink and trying to like reminisce and think about what decision I'm going to take. It is something I really need to be careful before taking the decision, you know. Actually I had a long day, but then it was worth it, and basically that's what it is. So if you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is just a random day in my life, and basically I wanted to make lots of video, but I ended up making just a 6-minute video. Oh well, it's all good. I'll see you guys later. Until then, bye bye.